Hi everyone, so if you have missed my previous video, do go back and watch it. We are in Devon and this is the place that we are staying for a whole week during these summer holidays. So we've booked in a whole week during the summer holidays in the Golden Coast Leisure Park, which is based in Woolacombe in Devon. We booked a caravan for 6 people. I do apologise about the raindrops that are appearing on the screen, blurring the vision. The leisure park is a pretty decent size. It has an indoor and outdoor swimming pool. So here we are at the reception. We grabbed our keys and then went to the caravan, and we are staying in this Lundy house. So we're entering in. So you can see on the table here a welcome pack. This is the kitchen area, and then the lounge. You've got TV here, plenty of sofa seating. You've got washing machine and a dishwasher as well, and the fridge of course, and dining table, microwave, kettle, toaster, and plenty of pots and pans that I'll show you in a bit. And here are 2 single beds, a bathroom that has a shower as well. So this particular one had 2 bathrooms in them, both with showers. And here is another 2 single bed room, and here is the double bedroom with a TV as well. And here's the second bathroom. So you'll be able to see lots of plates, plenty of cups and mugs and glasses and plates and pots and pans and all the essential utensils. They also gave a little box with the PG tips and some salt and pepper, I think, and a sponge and a drying cloth and other bits and pieces. So everything that you need. You've got your towel and some toiletries. In a welcome pack we swapped out the wine bottle with some juice bottle. The following videos have been recorded a few days after. So every place has a picnic bench. See, people are checking out now. And this is the local sort of store where you can get all your bits and pieces for people who are camping, or I don't know, you might want to use the ladies' showers, toilets. They have these facilities here. That's a little cafe area. They have like this ceramic studio. It's a bit of a shame. I realised later on that this was here. Anyhow, so you need 1 or 2 days for the firing process, of course. Here's a little play area. There's a little gym area, and that's, I think it's like the golf area, bungee jumping, high ropes. You've got your surfing area in here. They've also got a few holiday homes on showcase here, so you can book these activities as well. Go-karting area, plenty of picnic benches, and this is the outdoor pool. At the moment it's covered because it's raining, but we were in here yesterday and the kids absolutely loved it. So you'll be able to see the chutes as well. Let me take you through that. So you can see there's 2 types of chutes. Got a bar and bistro that I'm going to walk through. Having breakfast. These are all the local places that you can visit from here. And out of which we went here and we went here. There's some arcades and things here. I'll quickly take you down in here. Doing bowling here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you come back to watch my next vlog.